In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use System Restore to fix common issues or glitches you may be experiencing on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in System Restore. Best result, you're going to come back with Create a Restore Point. Go ahead and open that up. Select underneath System Restore the System Restore button. You can undo system changes by reverting your computer to a previous restore point, and then select the Choose a Different Restore Point option. Select Next. Select your chosen restore point from the list that you want to go back to, and then select Next. Select Finish to confirm. It's going to say once started, System Restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? Select Yes. Give us some time to run, and we will be back. All right, so you can see System Restore completed successfully. You can just close out of here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.